Hey folks, Seth Carmody here. Thank you for joining us for our video series highlighting our recently released white paper entitled Why Healthcare Cybersecurity is Hard. Today we'll cover at a high level the first 4 constraints in the context of a supply chain. In the supply chain, healthcare technology is built by producers, or in the medical device context, medical device manufacturers, and consumed by consumers, namely hospitals, clinicians, and patients. And these consumers make purchasing decisions based on the ability of these technologies to deliver healthcare features. So MDMs, medical device manufacturers, being rational businesses optimized for building healthcare features, not security features. The result is the passing of security debt downstream to consumers. Security debt's currency are vulnerabilities, be they architectural, implementation, configurational, or maintenance related. And it is the accumulation of this security debt which is acted upon by adversaries, such that problems manifest for consumers, not the producers. So consumers are left to deal with this debt and left with a choice: manage the debt or try to exert market pressure on upstream technology producers. The ability of any given consumer to exert market pressure is proportional to their ability to understand what security features are necessary and the ability to refuse technology that do not meet those requirements. The catch is that these consumers have also optimized for healthcare and must consume security debt to deliver healthcare to patients. Furthermore, consumers are the least empowered to fundamentally secure the technology they consume, particularly when it comes to regulated medical devices, where the producers have the most control over the security posture of the devices they create. But security is a technically deep discipline and requires resources on behalf of the manufacturer or producers to build security features in addition to the healthcare features. While the industry has made tremendous strides, design anti-patterns abound. Clear text transmission, hard-coded credentials, and lack of authentication remain. And why? Because the market forces are suboptimal for security features. So what are we left to do when market incentives fail to deliver the security features we need to protect critical infrastructure? Catch us in our next video and check out our white paper.